Good morning on January 11th, 2021. And approximately 11:11. Matter of fact, it was exactly 11:11. I read an email about the Ceres Neptune conjunction as it relates to Aura, Aura, Soma, which is this great gemstone elixir. It's air freshener, room conditioner, cleaning the rooms. And they have a bottle, 111, and it's connected to Ceres, dwarf planet, and Neptune, and that are both in Pisces right now. And so I decided to do a tarot spread, and because the Ceres Neptune energy in Pisces is about taking care of others and understanding the feeding nourishment spiritually that occurs. Pisces is a mutable water sign, and water signs derive their energy from union and love and connectedness. And Pisces is the love between humanity and divinity. And these five cards again represent the Venus star point, which is still morning, warrior, in the sign of Gemini. And it can be in direct conflict to the Piscean energies that seek unification and communion, where Gemini can bring in the fake facts or taking things apart through the excessive use of the rational mind. And the card, that Six of Wands there, represents the head of the Venus star point. And the six is the one who won the contest. So there's a level of humility in being the winner, but it's also recognizing that you worked for it and that you disciplined and focused yourself through the principle of joy. And if you look at this from this perspective, you can see that the daughter of wands is feeding into the six, and then we've got the shaman because she doesn't use kings in this deck. So the Venus energy is very top heavy in terms of identity and spirit, and the ability to recognize your vision and your actions need to be congruent or in unison. That reverse daughter can suggest that you might be getting news that you don't want to hear at first, but what you will do by taking responsibility of that six of wands, then you can go into the higher levels of expressing unification represented by that shaman. What's coming in is over here is this octopus, this eight of cups. So you're looking for spiritual deepening, and eight of cups, I do tend to think of it as the beginning degrees of Pisces. And so there's the Neptunian influence. Sometimes the Neptune can give you a little bit of divine discontent, not being able to feel like you have a vision. And as such, what you do is that you leave a situation, you leave a job, a relationship, or what have you, in order to seek deeper answers. So you shelter in place in your own soul, within yourself. And then what you give to others is that Four of Swords, is you give them the space to contemplate what works for them. And there's those seven chakras, so that can just be a sense of meditation. But it's the mind that represents the closing of the mind so you can study and research. In essence, you might just need a mental break. And there's a pyramid right there as well. So there you have it. And we got a Capricorn new moon late on Tuesday, tomorrow. And then there's already an blog article up about it at beliefisnotrequired.com. And I'll send some more information about that later on.